Hello everyone, myself Minal J. Rangdale and today's my topic is physical properties of metals and non-metals. So, metals and non-metals. So today we have to learn what is meant by metal, what is meant by non-metal and physical properties of metals and non-metals. So in our day-to-day life, we have seen so many objects and materials. Their appearance is shiny and dull in nature. Hardness is very hard and not very hard. Such example are iron nail, which is having the shiny appearances and very hard in nature. Coal piece, they are dull in appearances and not very hard. Aluminium wire is shiny appearances and hard in nature. Copper utensils are shiny and hard in nature. So there are so many objects in our surrounding which having the appearance of shiny or dull and hardness very shiny and not very hard. So some examples are given here. So later on the metal is a material that is typically hard, opaque, shiny, and good electrical and thermal conductivity. Metals are generally malleable as having the property converted into thin sheet. They are fusible, able to be fused, and ductile in nature, able to be drawn into a thin wire. So metal shows this property malleable, fusible, ductile, and good electrical and thermal conductivity. As like non-metals, non-metal is a material that is dull, softer, it mostly lack metallic attributes. Physically, non-metals tend to be highly volatile and easily vaporized, have a low elasticity and good insulator and a bad electrical conductor. 17 elements are generally classified as non-metals. Most are gases like hydrogen, helium, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, chlorine, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. One is liquid, that is bromine, and few are solids, carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, selenium, and iodine. So lots of examples are there. 17 elements are further in classified into non-metals. So first of all we have to see in the physical properties of metals. Metals are hard and strong. Metal are generally hard and strong solid. They are strong enough to bear heavy loads, that they are have a high tensile strength. We generally look for a metal when we need a strong material. This is because metal are in general hard and strong. Some example metals are magnesium, aluminum, iron. Exceptions are there. Sodium and potassium are the metal which are having soft in nature and can be cut into by using the knife, and mercury is a liquid in nature. So next is non-metals, metals having luster property. They have a luster known as metallic luster, means shine. For example, aluminium, iron, zinc, copper, silver, and gold are all are lustrous. Such as metal can be polished too. Sonorous means having the sound in nature. Metal are sonorous when struck. They produce a sound called as metallic sound and metallic clink. Recall the ringing of a bell or the click of coins. An example is temples, uh, temples bell. Malleability is a property of metal when we can beaten or rolled into a thin sheet. Aluminium, iron, copper, silver can be beaten and rolled into a thin sheet. Common example are the silver foil used to decorate sweets, aluminium foil used to pack food stuff. So this property is a very good in nature and we have to use this property of metal in day to day life. Next one is a ductility. Ductility is the property when metals can be beaten or converted into a thin wire. They are flexible and can be drawn into thin wires. For example, iron, aluminium, copper, silver, and gold can be easily drawn into wire. Can you draw wood coal? No, because wood and coal are brittle in nature. Physical properties of metal. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. They allow heat to pass through them easily. Due to this property, when we use metal utensil in kitchen, heat supplied at one place of utensil conducted all over it. You cannot use a frying pan made up of say cardboard because it is a bad conductor of heat. Metal are good conductor of electricity. They allow electric current to pass through them easily. This is why electricity is transmitted from one point to another. Like copper, aluminium wire. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. The next is copper and then aluminium. You cannot use nylon or jute ropes because they are bad conductor of electricity. Physical properties of non-metal. Metal, as compared to metals, non-metals are known for strength. They are usually lusterless, dull in nature, except graphite and iodine have a luster. Brittle if solid. Solid Bad conductor of heat as well as electricity. Exception is graphite. Non-sonorous, they do not produce a metallic cling. 24 metals are known today, 12 are solids. Properties of metals and non-metal. We have seen about the properties of metals and non-metal: appearances, hardness, malleability, ductility, heat conduction, and conduction of electricity. So metal shows the lustrous, hard, non-metal shows the non-lustrous. Hard exception sodium and potassium, generally soft exception diamond. Generally malleable metals